Okay, so let's take a look at masks and selections in texture folders version 3. So I have a building here that was textured in Substance Painter, and you can see that we are using PBR sets here. But I say I want to change the brick texture here, maybe use something different. I'm going to go to my bricks texture here, brick folder, and let me use this red brick and just import in, and I'll apply some texture coordinates to it. Let me use object coordinates and let's preview it. And since I'm using object coordinates, I can change this to box. And yeah, I like the scale, maybe just scale it up a bit. So I want this to be mixed with the rest of the building, with the rest of the texture. So I can select these two and use the mix to mix the two. Perfect. But I don't want the bricks to be everywhere. I just want maybe the first floor only. That's where the selection masks come in. So I can select the parts of the building I want. So I'm just going to come in here and just select the top part and create a mask from selected. Let me call this top. Okay. And now I can even reselect this and import the mask here. If we take a look at that now, we can see that, and we can use this as the factor here. Perfect. I think we also need to select the windows, deselect them. So I will first select everything and just let me just create a new mask, call this top minus windows. So now if I select this, we get something like that. Import that in, bring this here, go to the materials and use that instead. Now you can see what I have, and look at that. And I can even use this if I say have a deco. So let me go to my grind maps and bring in this. I can add in a deco. Let me first select that deco, move it, remove the track normal, so that I can manually rotate this to face where I want. So I'll just have this. Now if I go to the building material, you can see the mask that was generated. I'm going to use original alpha and set the mask to 0. And let me scale this on the X. But you can see that our deco is also covering the windows, which we don't want. So I'm going to bring the same mask I'm using here and connect this here. It's doing the opposite, so I'm just going to invert it using an invert node. Perfect. Now you can see that my deco is exactly where I want it. I can select it here and go in the settings here, change it to multiply, and I have that. Just grab this and move it somewhere there, and just duplicate the deco, and that the stretching is minimum, and I have to apply the same mask to this as well. Perfect.